let's continue with the previous example, and I'm going to use diamond again as my example. So I've got a refractive index here of 2.4, and what I want to look at this time is the relative speeds, the relative speed of light as it moves through diamond, right? So a different speed of light as it moves through diamond, because realistically that's what the refractive index tells me. So the formula that we're going to end up using here is that the refractive index of a material is equal to sort of the speed of light as it moves through a vacuum or air, right? Either or is kind of okay. We take the refractive index of air to be almost the same as the refractive index of a vacuum in this case. And it's over the speed of light through the medium. Okay. So we're asked, how fast is light moving through a diamond? So light, the normal speed of light, just through a vacuum that we would be used to using, is c, well, we take it as being air as well, that's okay, a vacuum or air, is 3 by 10 to the power of 8 meters per second, like that. So that's the speed of light through a vacuum, or the speed of light through air in this case. And because we already know what the refractive index is, we can work out what the speed of light is through the medium, through diamond here. So we just use the formula. N is equal to C air over C medium. Okay, now let's fill in some values. N is 2.4. C of air is 3, the speed of light through air is 3 by 10 to the power of 8. Over, and I have C here of the medium. Okay, now I have to rearrange this. So I multiply across by the speed of light through the medium, and then I divide by 2.4. I've done a similar sort of a thing over here, so I'm not going to redo it again. But what I'll end up with is C of the medium is equal to 3 by 10 to the power of 8 over 2.4, like that. And so the speed of light through the medium is equal to 3, and then by 10 to the power of is going to be here, by 10 to the power of 8, divided by 2.4. And what I get there is a pretty large number. That's by 10 to the 3, by 10 to the 6. So I end up with 1.25 by 10 to the power of 8 meters per second, like that. 1.25 by 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. And so that's how I can work out the speed of light through a particular medium when I'm given the refractive index.